I'm Dave from Architectural Iron Designs, here to talk about our DuraGates Cantilever product line. The newest addition to our product line is post brackets for the cantilever rollers. A lot of contractors have told us they don't like laying concrete foundations they have to work with. They're used to setting fence posts. And so what we've done is developed post brackets for the smaller systems, for the mini and the piccolo, that will mount on 4-inch round or 4-inch square posts and hold the carriages still under the bottom of the gate, supporting it where it should be, but mounted on posts so you don't have to pour a 6 or 8 or 10-foot foundation. Simplifies the product and adds very little cost to the job.